Hey, TriMech clients, Kevin here on the floor of the SOLIDWORKS Partner Pavilion, last day of SOLIDWORKS World 2018, and we're here with the folks from Tacton, and they're going to tell us a little bit about what they've gotten out of the show. So if there's one or two things that you've really loved seeing here at the show, what would they be?
Yeah, it's very amazing to see all the new technologies that are changing the manufacturing business.
Right.
All the 3D printing, all the generative designs, and everything. It's a lot of things happening out in the industry right now. So that's very fun to see.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Now, if you could give me a short overview and just help educate some of TriMech's clients about CPQ and what that can really do for their business. Is there a short overview of that?
Yeah, a short overview. So CPQ, it's a term for configuration, pricing, and quoting.
Yes.
And at Tacton, we have been doing configuration for a long time. But basically, what it can help is to connect the customer needs with the factory, in a way. Okay. So you ask the customer what they want. You can, with the CPQ system, you can quickly give them quotes. You can give them manufacturing documentation. You can give them step files. I have a great possibility of as a company, save time, increase quality. But yeah, the big thing is that easier for the customers to buy from you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, are there, if clients are trying to approach this, are there templates, are there things in place that can help them revolutionize their business to incorporate a real high-tech CPQ system?
Yeah, of course. We released our new CPQ platform, I think, 2 years ago, and it has a lot from start. Of course, it can be altered to suit the individual customer, but it has things like workflows to make it easier to handle. If you need an engineer to approve, you can make it impossible for a salesman to actually give a quote before it got an approval. It has a lot of great stuff, and one thing we do is that we do design automation.
Okay.
And you can do CPQ together with design automation. So you can not only do the configuration and send the quotes, and handle the life cycle of the document and the states of that. You can also request like the CAD files, drawings, PDFs, and use that. So it can help communication between the sales department and the engineering, and speed up that.
Yeah,
shifting information everywhere in the company.
Absolutely. Well, that's awesome. Thank you for your time, and enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you.
Thank you.